Welcome guys. Today we will see how to create a reverse string using JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So let's begin. So I'm using the Replit. In the Replit I'm changing the title reverse string. So in the body we are doing the programming like we are using form tag and div tag with the help of form and div tag. We are using first of all form tag. In that id will be input form and we are using one label and one input, so that's it. In the label we are using for which we are using, so for that we are in defining it input string, like input string. If we can make any method now, so functionality for that we are using label for. Then after that, what will be the label will be enter a string, that's it. Then the next is input tag. So in the input tag we are providing one id, one input, and type will be automatically text. id will be input string, in id input string. So that's it. And it is automatically it's necessary, it is required because we need to take the value which we want to give output as a reverse. So next thing is button type. Button type will be the type buttons automatically. If you want to submit, you can take it submit, it is fine. Then next thing is, we after the form tag we are using div, and this is id will be result only, and div will be blank. In this div we are providing our data in reverse form. So we can use JavaScript and we can remove all the code in Replit. Then directly we can use function reverse string. In the reverse string function we can define one constant variable. So the variable should name will be input string. In the input string, what we can do, we can take the by document dot get element by id, that input string value, what will the value will be getting to our input. Okay, so input string will be the id our dot value, and we can define one more constant. The constant should be like, we in this constant we need to do our that code. So for reverse string, so we can use the variable reverse string. Our logic will be input string dot split. First of all we can take that and split it, then do the reverse of that splitted variable, all the characters, then do the join after splitting the reverse and then join. So here we will done with this. Then the next we have to show also. So what we can do, we can take the constant result div. What the result div will be our index.html. In this we have make that div and the id will be result, like. So directly we are taking result div constant is equal to document dot get element by id, element by id, and this will be the id will be result dot value. Okay, not we are directly taking this result. So what we are doing is result dot div dot text constant. We are showing the result dot div text content in the form of string, and we are using the $1 and curly brackets. In this we are providing our reverse string constant variable which we have taken. So directly we are taking that reverse string. Guys, if you want any kind of another video, so kindly let us know in the comment section so we can make it here. So directly what we are doing, we have to place on click event on the button. So this method will be called, then after this calling this method our logic will be performed. So okay, so what we have to do, we have to open web page view. So in that we can see, so in the bottom it should web view, so we can run it on our applet. Then let's see what will be the output of our reverse string. So interesting, so we can enter like hello simply. Once we can reverse, now it automatically give a dollar reverse string what we have written. I think a string will be not capturing that data. So what we can do, we can remove this and we can make our own string in the result div dot constant, and we can directly place the constant variable like reverse string, so it will be definitely work. So we can write one reverse string is okay. So we can save it and that try to run. Let's see what will be the output. Okay, so we can type hello and reverse it. Oh great, so it's working now, as you can see. So we can try to type another thing like apple double palette. Okay, reverse. So here you can see the reverse string is working properly as the logic we have trained Mumbai. So embed. So guys, here is the code of reverse string using JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.
See